Alright guys, here's a look at the transmission tunnel. Just got it cleaned up, getting ready to paint it. That way when I put the transmission in, it'll already have paint, so it's about as clean as I'm gonna make it, and we're gonna start spraying it. That's the underside of the car there. So I'm just cleaning and painting where the transmission is going to go. That way I can put the motor in and I can paint the rest of the bottom of the car when it's on a lift, but then I can have the engine in and still have consistent paint throughout. So that's what we're doing. Just figured I'd show you guys real quick what we're up to. That's a look from the underside of the car to the front, obviously, and you can see it's looking pretty good. Alright, you guys, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get painting. What's up, dude? What's up, man? Not yet. I just moved this thing down so I can get some better paint on this side. That's what I'm doing. Huh? Off for dirt. Alright, cool. Let's see, Mason. Tell everybody what you think about this paint job. Good. It's good? Are you going to be able to paint like this when you're old? You are? Why? Because your daddy's going to teach you how to paint? Hey, Mason, look. I gave this pig my french fries. He loves them. Come here, little piggy. I came out here to unlock this guy's car over here, and this pig walked up. I asked him whose pig it was. He said it was the neighbor's, and then it just started coming over here, and now it's like their company pet over here at this farm. It's pretty funny. It's a strawberry field there in the back. Well, everybody needs a pet, right? Looks like a pretty cool pig. What do you think about that, Mason? You want to get us a little pig like that? Pretty cool, huh?